name is Mark Elmore, and I'm the Director of Sales with Kutol Products. Kutol Products is an away-from-home skincare leader in the industry, and we are strong partners with SSS. We offer the Custom Collections brand of soaps, sanitizers, and dispensing systems. Our dispensing systems are manual and no touch, and what makes them unique is our top dispensing eliminates drips, leaks, and allows for customers to see what's being dispensed in their hands. Another unique feature of our dispensing systems is our ability to customize our dispensers. We can offer a full 3x5 logo or branding on your dispenser at a very low minimum of 24 pieces. Kutol offers a full line of products from soaps, premium soaps, sanitizers, gels to meet all your hand hygiene needs. Please stop by our booth at the Gym Supply Cleaning Festival to see these unique dispensing systems as well as our full line of products. Thank you.